Hey, Zona, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something super interesting and honestly pretty foundational to the understanding of the landscape here in Arizona and much of the Western United States, BLM land. Now, I've had some really eye opening conversations lately, especially with folks who are newer to Arizona, transplants from the East Coast specifically. And it's it's been fascinating to hear their reactions when I bring up the topic of BLM land. I've had people look at me kind of like blank, asking BLM, like the movement. And well, yes, that's something of a different conversation. In this context, BLM stands for something entirely different: the Bureau of Land Management. It's been a real aha moment for them, realizing that these vast stretches of open space aren't just empty desert or privately owned ranches. They're actually public lands managed by the federal government for a whole range of uses. And honestly, it got me thinking that if my new neighbors are unfamiliar with this concept, there are probably a lot of other people out there who could use a little explainer. So, exactly what is BLM land? Well, the Bureau of Land Management is an agency within the U.S. Department of Interior, and they oversee a massive amount of public land. We're talking hundreds of millions of acres across the United States, with a significant chunk here in Arizona. Think of it as land that belongs to all of us, managed for a variety of purposes. These uses can include everything from recreation like hiking, camping, hunting, and off roading to resources managed such as livestock raising, mining, and energy development. The BLM plays a crucial role in conservation, working to protect the wildlife habitats, cultural resources, and the overall health of the ecosystems. Now, the sheer scale of BLM land can be hard to grasp. In Arizona alone, we're talking about millions of acres. It's a huge part of the state's identity and offers incredible opportunities for outdoor adventures. These aren't your manicured national parks. Though they're amazing, BLM land often has more rugged, wild feel, offering a different kind of experience. You might find yourself exploring stunning desert landscapes dotted with saguaro cacti, hiking through the rugged mountain ranges, or even discovering hidden gems along rivers and streams. Yes, there are rivers and streams in Arizona. The possibilities are pretty endless. But with this freedom and access comes responsibility. It's crucial to understand the rules and regulations that govern BLM land. Things like respecting leave no trace principles, packing out everything you pack in, staying on designated trails, and minimizing your impact on the environment are super important. Depending on the area, there might also be specific rules, regulations, vehicle use, and permits for certain activities. A great resource for learning more is the BLM website. They have tons and tons of information about specific areas, regulations, and even ways to get involved in stewardship and volunteer opportunities. I'll link their website and some information in the resources below. So, for all you East Coasters and anyone else who might be new to the concept, BLM land is a vital part of the American West. It's shared resources that offers incredible opportunities for recreation, supports various industries, and plays a key role in conservation. Hopefully, this gives you a better understanding of what it is and why it's so significant. Have you explored any BLM land? What are your favorite experiences? Let me know in the comments below. And if you did find this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe. for more insights, info, Arizona life, trekking, hiking, camping, overlanding, all the above. Hey, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.